close and we're waiting for the sun. The only view our eyes could see were dark clouds all around, expecting that the weather of the season would be warm. But the season played its joke with us, and we start to sing this song. High above, I really know the sun will always shine, even if the days are dark. And if the rain comes pouring down like waterfalls from the sky, I know that the sunshine will be there. Will be there. Now everything has turned to green, and I keep my eyes close to the wind. The sun is gently touching my skin, but not for long, 'cause it's going away. Dark clouds come and fill the sky, raindrops keep on falling down. The wind is softly moving through the trees. They start to sing with me there. High above, I really know the sun will always shine, even if the days are dark. And if the rain comes pouring down like waterfalls from the sky, I know that the sunshine will be fine. Will be fine. High above, I really know the sun will always shine, even if the days are dark. And if the rain comes pouring down like waterfalls from the sky, I know that the sunshine will be mine.